Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of PostGrid Builder plugin tutorial series. In this episode, I will show you how to create post Masonry grid with our PostGrid Builder. So let's try create a new post grid. Let's try give it a name post Masonry. Hit the create button, so you will see the new post grid created. So click to load this post grid, and you see the post grid loaded. Go to the edit tab and switch to the Masonry layout. So you see we have created a post Masonry with the dummy data. Let's try to save the post grid, and you will see the options for the post query. So we have added the most advanced post query builder, so you can add any query parameters you want. Also there is the query preset, so you can use this preset without adding query parameter manually. Also there is the copy paste, so you can copy paste query parameters from other post grid. So please check our other videos for the advanced query builder, so we have explained in details. The layouts, you can apply layouts from our layouts library, or you can customize layouts your own. So you see the elements, there is also WooCommerce elements available, so you can drag drop elements and customize elements by clicking elements, and you see the setting and style tabs for each and every element. So we have added the most advanced style component for the styling our elements, so you can add any CSS properties you want. You will see different options and settings for the elements, so you can add or remove any elements you want. So you can simply apply our templates, so you don't need to customize or spend time for creating layouts. So there is also Masonry setting available, so you can add or remove Masonry options. There is the gutter, you can change the gutter, and number of columns you can change. You see the number of columns changed. Also any other options you want to add from drop down list, you can add or remove. You can also apply the style for the item wrapper, like we add a background color for the item wrapper. You see the background color added. And there is also pagination, so you can apply style for the pagination. You can change the loading icon or next previous icon, and the style for the pagination items. Let's add a background color for the pagination items, and you see the background color applied. So this way you can create a Masonry layout post grid. So let's save the post grid and copy the shortcode. You see once you click the shortcode, it will copy it. So let's try paste on the page content, or you can use on your favorite page builder. So let's try visit the page on the front end, and you see the post Masonry layout we have created from our post grid builder. And you can always change the post count, like let's add a 10 posts per page, so we can see more visual presentation of Masonry layout. So you see the Masonry layout here, a beautiful Masonry layout, so we have created by our post grid builder. And also you can apply our ready-made templates from our templates library, so you don't need to customize every other elements like pagination and Masonry settings. So you can simply apply Masonry layouts from our library. So let's try save the page and try refresh page on the front end, and you see the layout has changed. So this way you can create post Masonry layout with our post grid builder. I hope you love this. Thank you so much.